How to send money with First National Bank. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily send money on a First National Bank. So first thing you're going to have to do is log into your First National Bank, and once you log into it, all you have to do is simply go ahead and make sure to go to the Transfers and Payment tab or Send Money section. And if you are transferring money from between your own accounts, you can simply select the from and to accounts to enter the amount, choose the date, and confirm the transfer. To send money to someone else, you can use Zelle in First National Bank. So what you can do is simply go ahead and add a new pay by entering their details, which allows you to send money instantly using the recipient's email address or US mobile number. The next step is to simply go ahead and review your details. So after entering the amount you want to send and as well as the recipient's address, you can just track the status of your transfer in the transaction history, and that's it. Sending money with Zelle on FNB is very fast, easy, and secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.